Good morning to all my subscribers, viewers, audience, newcomers, all joiners to my magical, mystical, spiritual, artistic YouTube channel. It's as it says over here, art by A.K.A, Dragon's Light, JMW of GSW. Thank you very much. As always, it's been a long time. I have been busy in the mundane world. You have to pay your bills, as always, and you have to have they call it a full-time job these days. But in the mystical, spiritual, and artistic dilemma, I still live in it. I still have my hands in it, one can say, is intertwined with my mundane life. Anyway, today I'm going to focus on a new art collage painting that is now coming to an end, right? I have not uploaded any content, what I was doing with it, how I came to be, what was involved in it, why I was working on it. Anyway, I'm going to share that with you today. I'm going to divide the content in phases, I say stages, right? Because that's how I do my artwork. Now, they say in the magical world, mystical world, even in the spiritual world, there are no coincidences. Somehow, most of my artwork, my paintings, are connected to my IT world, my contracts and my projects. As I begin a project or a contract, I work and complete one or two in a year. As my contract and project coming to an end, miraculously, surprisingly, that art piece gets completed. It's unknown. The muse, we call it the art muse, inspiration, how you get inspired to do a certain painting, certain collage. There are many reasons behind it. Unknown, known and unknown, I call it, known and unknown, right? So let's start. So this is called the time machine, right? We have the beginning, we have the past, and future, and infinity. I hope you can see that now, right? So here we have my title. It says DL Time Machine YW JMW GSW. Now, many poets, artists, throughout the time in the history have called a pen name. Many writers have a pen name. They don't use their mundane name. Okay? Mundane name to write poems or write novels or books or create art. Same reason, same purpose, I have this channel. Let's put it this way. Okay? So this is the foundation right here. We have the clock. We have month, day, year. We have hour, minute, seconds. We have beginning, past, present, future, and infinity. As we move on, better view. Much better view now. Good. Better view. Now, my trade, my career, my craft on the mundane side has always been electronics engineering. Then I migrated or went towards computer IT world, and That's why you see some symbols over here, right there. Over here, you'll see it. Is based on that. And of course, this is a chair. It's a chair. Looks different design, but it's a chair. You'll get to know. Whoops. Let's fix that. There you are. There you are. So this is a resistor, capacitor, and these are transistor, diodes, and basically this is a ground. So we all know in the electronic circuit, you have to have a ground, right? You have to have a complete circuit. Anyway, let's move on. Now, this could be a electronic symbol per se, or this could be a being from another world. Who knows, right? You take a lucky guess. Same thing on this side. Now, there is a concept of symmetric and asymmetric. Or in chemistry too, if I remember back in high school, we used to call a concept, even in calculus, balancing the equation. If you think back, oh my God, balancing the equation. So that's exactly what we're talking about over here. Much closer look. Another closer look. There we are. There we are again. So in here on the top, there are two phrases I have put in. It's called Book of Life and Life Full of Memories. Now this time machine per se is reflected towards my life, my book of life, which I've lived till now, and I'm going to live my life full of memories, what I have taken, given. Okay, taken and given. Taken means lessons that I have learned and lessons I have given. Okay, so each soul, you may believe it, you may not believe it, has a certain job to do, tasks to complete, lessons to learn. We all believe in ascent and descent. Okay, ascent and descent. The aim of the soul is to ascend, not to descend. Climb higher. Infinity. Remember, infinity. Okay, infinity. All right, we're gonna go further down, and I'll show you the close-up of my coloring scheme, a layout, design. All right, I'm gonna stop this one over here. I'll take another one. There you go. Okay. Okay. Let's take another shot at this. I'm gonna go back to this guy and let's see how it's supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to be. Okay. Basically, yeah. And then we go back over here. Gold, silver. I use a lot of metallic colors. Okay, let's see where it takes us. There you go. I'm going to stop right here. I think this is a good stopping point for this phase, as these are the Sufis, one in the white, one in the black. Okay. Now, we all know the elements. This is the element of earth. This is the element of fire the red, element of air, element of water. And per se, the fifth element is element of the spirit, the soul. So, and the world is white, the world is black. White and black, okay? The black is the left-hand path, the white is the light, the right-hand path. Best way to explain it. And then, of course, in here, you will see some other Sufis in different color of dress, which represent certain elements. Element of the earth in green, yellow is air, red is fire, blue is water, and so on. Okay. I'm gonna stop right over here. I don't want to make the video too long, per se. Okay. And then we will continue our journey as I get time. All right, the aim and the goal always of my channel is to share, grow, learn, and educate. Share, grow, learn, and educate. Share, grow, learn, and educate. That is the aim and that is the purpose. Okay, my videos content is very simple. I simplify it. There is no sound, there is no music, there is no chaos. All right, chaotic. It's not chaotic. I'm using certain principles within the mystical, spiritual, within the magical realm world. Using the command of your voice is the most powerful way to express your emotions, your intentions, your feelings, and your work. When I do these videos or this content, I am doing a work towards bettering, not battering, or enhancing, or making my skills better way to say it, would be presentation, would be show and tell, would be communication, and of course using technology like smartphone, laptop, PowerPoint, and of course using the mind, body, and the soul concept, which includes what was done in the past, what I'm doing in the present, and what's going to happen in the future. For the next phase of the painting, you all have to wait. As always, I'm grateful to the Divine Spirit, I'm grateful to God, I'm grateful to universe, I'm grateful to cosmos, and I'm grateful to all the 5 elements. And I'm grateful for all the subscribers out there in the world that are connected, associated with the art, any field of art, within visual arts. Okay? What is your soul like? What is your soul like? Right? Does your soul like arts? Any branch, any format, any type? Do you meditate with art? Do you like to do art? Do you like to paint? Do you like to draw? That's the bottom line. That's the essence of life, right? You need to enjoy your life. You need to be connected to your inner child and be connected to your inner artist. Don't let go that connection. Don't. It's very important if you understand that point of view. Till next time, thank you very much, and God bless you all. Bye.